Welcome to our poultry farm management system, an all-in-one intelligent solution built on Oracle Apex that revolutionizes the way poultry businesses operate. From production to accounting, every process is now fully digital, organized, and effortless. Let's begin with the home page, a clean and interactive dashboard that provides a complete overview of your farm's performance. With just a few clicks, you can access every module, from administration and company setup to transactions, employees, factory operations, and detailed reports, all intuitively designed for efficiency and ease of use. The administration section gives full control over your system. Here, administrators can manage application users, change passwords, and handle menu access requests, ensuring secure access and smooth workflow management across all departments. Next, we move to the company setup section, where you can define your company details, create multiple branches, and manage all financial configurations in one place. This includes account information, bank information, and a complete material information module, covering other products, units, raw materials, raw material types, and even uploader options for bulk data entry and error tracking. You can also maintain customer and supplier information, including supplier and vendor details, customer profiles, supplier types, and transporter information, keeping your supply chain fully connected and transparent. Additionally, the Creating Locations module allows you to define all operational sites, such as broiler farms, factories, breeder farms, layer farms, and construction locations, enabling accurate, location-wise monitoring of every process. Let's explore the Transactions menu in the system, the central workspace for managing all day-to-day operational activities. With requisition information, this section allows you to create new purchase requisitions, review pending and sent requests, and even view the complete history of all previous requisitions for tracking and control. Next, we have purchase information. Here you can view detailed records of all completed purchases, including voucher numbers, supplier names, purchase dates, item counts, and descriptions. It provides a complete overview of your procurement activity in one place. Then comes the Purchase Uploader, where you can upload your purchase data directly. You can simply drag and drop files or upload them in XSXL format. And if you're unsure about the format, don't worry. A ready-to-use template is available for download, making your upload process simple and error-free. Moving forward, flock information helps record and monitor flock performance data, including feed usage, mortality, and overall health. Next are Payment Transfer Party to Party and Payment Transfer, P2P Uploader, both designed to handle financial transactions between different parties. The first allows manual entry of payment transfers, while the uploader supports bulk processing through Excel files. Moving forward, the Daily Production option captures daily factory output, while Current Stock, raw material, displays the livestock balance of all materials in hand. The Raw Material Transfer Info module tracks the movement of materials between warehouses or locations. Now, under Sale Production Information, there are two important sub-options. Sale Production Info, which records sales generated from production batches, and Sale Production Info Uploader, which allows importing sales data in bulk through Excel sheets. Next, under Sale Information, Raw Material, there are also two choices. Raw Material. Sale Info is used for entering manual raw material sale entries, while Purchase Material Sale Uploader simplifies the process of uploading multiple sales transactions at once. Finally, under the Breeder section, there are 7 operational modules designed specifically for poultry and livestock operations. Egg Stock Information tracks daily egg production and remaining stock. Sale Information Egg records egg sales transactions. Production Info maintains daily production details for each flock. Hatchery Egg manages hatching-related records and batch performance. Chick Stock Information monitors the number of chicks available in the inventory. Chick Sale Information records all outgoing chick sales. And lastly, Construction Production tracks construction or setup activities related to breeder facilities. Together, these drop drop-downs within the Transactions tab give a complete operational view, helping the team manage purchase, production, sales, and breeder processes seamlessly from a single platform. The Setup Transactions module streamlines all financial and operational transactions. It includes detailed expense management, where you can record daily expenses, view account-wise reports, track opening and closing balances, and upload bulk expense data with ease. The system also includes asset and liability information, providing clear visibility into your organization's financial health. Moving forward, the Supervisor section is designed to assist production supervisors and managers. This includes production information, sale information, stock reports, material requisitions, material transfers, and account details. The Expense Info area offers detailed expense categories and party-to-party payment transfers. The Material Information module helps manage material received, raw material types, and supplier information, while Material Sale Info handles all other sales-related records, giving supervisors a complete operational overview. The Employees section ensures seamless management of your workforce. Under Employee Reports, administrators can view registered users, monitor hiring records, and manage job roles. The Employee Transactions section covers everything from salary information, salary ledgers, and attendance tracking to increments and payroll summaries, providing a transparent view of employee performance and compensation. The Factory section brings all production-related operations together. It includes requisition information, material types, raw material records, current stock reports, feed formulation, and raw material issuance. Administrators can track material purchase information, manage finished products, and oversee factory-level processes in real time. Under its submodules, the Sale Information section manages product sales, raw material sales, and administrative sale approvals. The Account Information submenu handles payment transfers and account maintenance, while the Expense Information submenu allows expense categorization, daily expense entries, and bulk uploads. The Uploaders section makes it easy to upload purchase, sale, and feed formation data, while tracking any upload errors for correction. The module also includes a supplier and customer information page, consolidating all partner data in one place. Finally, the Reports module serves as the analytical powerhouse of the system. It provides a comprehensive range of insights, from management reports and account details to summary transactions and stock verifications. Users can access purchase details, current stock, payment and expense reports, customer and supplier ledgers, account summaries, and location-wise reports, all instantly generated and exportable in Excel or CSV format. With powerful integration, real-time analytics, and seamless import-export capabilities, our poultry farm management system ensures every piece of data remains synchronized, accurate, and secure. From farm to finance, from production to performance, our poultry farm management system, powered by Oracle Apex, connects every part of your business into one unified intelligent platform. It's efficient, reliable, and built to help you manage, monitor, and grow your operations smarter than ever before.